cosmos is huge as we can see it. It's unfathomable, of course. Observable universe और उसका distance है, and it was created
expanding.
yes, and the general knowledge is that it was created 13.8 billion years ago, and it had a big bang, and of course, I mean, you know what, but there are other theories as well. For example, I would like to quote here Sir Roger Penrose, who basically believes that the Big Bangs is not just a single event, it's a series of Big Bangs. And every time universe expands, and then you know the inflation, the concept of inflation, and then comes back to its original point, and then it again a bang happens, and then and that's how the different universes and different dimensions even uska ek angle ye bhi hai. So that is how I think cosmos is huge. We have yet to discover a lot of things, or we need better propulsion techniques. That's what is said.
I mean, coming to this topic, propulsion ke, usse pehle agar if you go back to a base ke, human intrigue या interest ने जब हम land हमने vehicle achieve कर लिया, but we looked at the sky, we looked at the birds, and we thought, can we fly? And हमने वो उस dream को reality बनाया. So let's just start with that. Talking about the Wright brothers and how they came up with the concept of flying, and then how that has evolved into the jets that we know today, from a very general perspective, obviously, not from a very engineer perspective, but like इसको हम फिर compare करेंगे with the subject matter, but like how do you think it?
देखो, having said that, and getting into this RAM is really takes a lot of knowledge and know-how. I'm not an aviator, by the way, of course, but ये है कि naturally, it all started with humans trying to imitate birds, ठीक है, and we have got evidences of that, and then further on, then
actually Leonardo da Vinci के बहुत सारे blueprints were discovered, which basically started the whole idea. Having wings, attaching wings to human.
Having wings, fly. But Da Vinci's work is more or less, much of it is as it is told. That it's in some kind of a mystery of its own. It carries a mystery of its own. और पोशीदा भी है कहीं, अगर इसे हम इन लफ्ज़ों में कहना चाहें तो. और it's kept hidden somehow. The blueprints जो हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं hidden है. इस पे वो you have seen some of the works. हमने वो Tom Hanks की
the Da Vinci Code,
the Da Vinci Code, and others. So there are a whole lot of mystery in it, which I don't find in discussion within Pakistan. ये सब पाकिस्तान में board drawing room discussions तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, but practically इस तरह से जैसे मैं और तुम बैठ के आज हम ये बात शुरू कर रहे हैं ना, इस तरह से शायद वो prospective evaluation या उसकी वो deep down उसको digging नहीं है शायद, और उसको उस एंगल से भी देखना मैं समझता हूँ बहुत ज़रूरी है. And because it has got a lot of dimensions, right? So देखो ये जब I believe wings के बाद फिर ये thermodynamics, और फिर जैसे with the advent of the later part of the 20th century, or rather the 19th century, वो उस दौरान जब ये discoveries हो रही थी, and we really know that the discoveries included the invention of DC currents and even alternating currents, and वो जो famous war of the currents है, ठीक है, और even उससे पहले I would say कि जो प्लैंक का काम था, और माइकल फैराडे, और इस तरह के दूसरे जो स्टैलवर्ट्स, जिस तरह से इंडक्टेंस और उस पे काम हुआ, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म पे, एग्जैक्टली. सो आई बिलीव के उस वजह से एक इम्पेचस मिला. फ्लाइंग का शौक तो ह्यूमंस हैड अ वे और दे फैंटेसाइज्ड विद दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. सो आई थिंक ये फ्लाइंग का कॉन्सेप्ट तो वो है.